You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com. Tell me what's going on with your hand.
It hurts a lot of pain and tingling and numbness in my fingertips. Pain comes up as well. If I try to do this with this hand, I get a sharp pain.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room. 7.5. And how we stimulate the pain? What kind of motion really get that pain going?
The sharp pain is with if I hyperextend it back. The other tingling pain is most things, typing, using a mouse, holding a pen, toothbrush.
That was 7 out of 10?
Yes.
Numbness, tingling in which fingers?
These, and then this is less.
Half of that,
Yes.
It's a classic carpal tunnel, okay. And we did some testing, it was carpal tunnel. I can do it again. So how long this been going on? About a month. How did you hurt your...
I don't recall actually hurting it. I don't recall a specific incident. I just woke up when I had a lot of pain.
Do you usually sleep like that?
Not anymore.
In the last months, what kind of treatment you had before coming here?
I tried going to the regular doctor and
Okay.
taking medication. I brought me to a nerve specialist who I hadn't seen and tried acupuncture, and that's it.
All right. Everything we do should not aggravate your symptoms. I'm going to do a couple of testing to confirm the carpal tunnel. We'll take your range of motion and then do the treatment.
Okay.
Right. So we'll do the side. Testing for carpal tunnel. No tingling. And you feel it here?
Yes.
When I do that, the test was positive. Another test here. You feel numbness tingling going down?
Yep.
And you feel it shooting.
Yes.
2 tests still positive for carpal tunnel. So I'm gonna take a range of motion now. Need a small diameter. So let me know when you feel pain, how much from 0 to 10. Alright, the sound bars. Bring it up and stop when you feel pain. Are you going up?
No, any for you.
Right here.
Yes.
28. Sorry. You feel sharp pain. 48 extension. This is reflection. I'm gonna go down now.
That one I don't feel a sharp pain.
Yeah, that is 80 degrees, that's fine. It's normal. Okay, I'm gonna go up here. Make sure you get the number. Bring it.
In this.
Any pain with that? That's 20. Radio. Deviation. And that is 25. Your restriction with extension, 28. Make sure this is not painful. So you've been having the same sentence for a month now. Strange over?
No. It feels like it's stretching.
Have you had carpal tunnel before?
No.
We're gonna get a bigger pillow here. Yes?
No, it's in my brain.
Your brain?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying not to look because it looks painful.
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
It's not needle.
No, it's not
Just
painful.
relax, relax.
Okay.
Just imagine you are by the beach or something. What's your favorite?
Meal? Artichokes.
Just imagine eating that now, okay?
Okay.
Too much?
No,
You see, it's an easy procedure.
it looks like it hurt, but it's okay.
Not really. Like a needle feeling, but make sure this is not painful.
It's just pressure.
Relax. You anticipating the pain?
Yes.
So you just had acupuncture before?
Yes.
Let's move it and tell me how this feel now. The extension that was...
I'm afraid to do that extension. You can do it?
without the pain. But that's not 4 range of motion. I wanted to get there.
Oh, am I not doing it? I didn't do it enough?
You're limited. Wait, let me do more. That's too much.
Feels close to hurting, but I don't want it to work.
Precious one. By nature, you don't have 4 range of motion there. But what you had 28, that was limited. Normal should be 70 or 80.
And I'm at 28?
It's
Yeah,
limited. You don't have much here. I can get to 90 degrees. So almost like that. Passing 90 degrees
This
for
is-
extension. But hers, yes, it's limited.
I've never been flexible in my life, anywhere really. When kids growing up, they had you sit with your legs crossed. I could never sit like that. My legs pop up. I could never sit in
Tight. My abductors are tight too. When I have my legs crossed, I'm like, people look at me, cross your legs. I'm like, this is my cross legs.
I don't think I could do yoga.
So we're gonna do yoga here.
Oh, wow.
No, not that.
Okay.
No, we're not gonna do it.
That actually starts to feel good.
That's good. Yeah, so go on. So carpal tunnel for a month. Is that too much? what I'm doing here?
No.
As you see, I give her a lot of needles here. Not really. Just releasing the tightness around the area. Okay. Okay, let's move it and tell me how that feels. Any pain?
I don't have that pain.
The sharp pain that was... Okay, let's move it to the side. What else we do to aggravate it? That was one of the motions.
It's usually like holding things, like filling out paperwork for here, like pen. That hurts a lot. Not immediately. I'm still feeling tingly at the end. How much?
0 to 10?
4.
Okay. So that's as soon as you're doing this.
Yes.
So you still have some work to do.
If I keep holding that, it gets me to drop it and shake my hand out.
You mean if it's too much?
Those things look major, but they're
Friendly. You wanna touch it? Doesn't hurt. No, it doesn't bite too.
It's like an ice sculpture. What is that made of?
That's plastic. I invented those, so I don't have to use my hand. It's accurate than using my hand to break the scar tissue. You feel this one here? Scar tissue.
I don't like the sound and feel of that.
You hear the sound.
Can you hear it?
I can hear it. I feel it. The instruments make it easy for me to feel it. I feel it in my hand. Yeah, the sound. The sound, but not too loud. I'm not sure if you can hear it in the camera. Can you? Yes.
That feels really good, like a massage or something right there.
This is not massage. This is ASTR. Is that too much? You feel this one?
No, I feel it.
Scar tissue.
That hurts there a lot.
Sorry, is that hurt what I'm doing?
No, I'm sorry. Without that, it hurts a lot.
Make sure what I'm doing. She has a lot of scar tissue here.
How do you get scar tissue there?
Accident trauma or posture for body mechanics. It's part of healing. When you have accidental cuts, your body gets scar tissue. Your body heals. Your body doesn't build the scar tissue to open wounds susceptible for infection. So scar tissue very essential for our survival.
Oh.
When you slept like that, you strain it in this position. So you cause micro tear, and that causes scar tissue and compress on the medial nerve that supply this area. When that happens, you start to have carpal tunnel syndrome. Your work, you do a lot of typing, or that's repetitive strain injury. We do that for 8 hours, similar like you are in the gym doing biceps curl for 8 hours. You can cause a strain, and that's how we build this scar tissue.
Yeah.
That's common. You get scar tissue.
Okay.
You hear that sound?
Yeah. I sure do.
And here, yeah, you still writing a lot.
Yeah, we have to do a lot of writing, way more than we should.
You don't hear about jobs now that there's a lot of writing.
You would think we could type, but we do both. We have to print a lot of things and write comments, hold an audit. And they want it on hard copy. Our program won't allow us to type into what we're reading, so we have to print it. Right.
Wow, that's just old school.
Sure is.
Too much? You feel that scar tissue.
Yes. The sound hurts me more.
Really? Okay, let's play some music. Relax, relax. Thank you for here.
Well,
You
our
focus?
tips with wine.
Focus inflammation.
Wine causes inflammation?
Yeah.
I haven't drank wine since before I was pregnant.
How old is your baby?
She's 3 months.
Nice. You did a lot of lifting, holding bottles. Don't hold it like this. You're gonna have to.
I can't hold it like that.
Yeah. You should not hold it.
Oh, okay, yeah, it hurts.
That's poor body mechanics to do it this way. Is that too much?
No.
Okay, let's see how much is scar tissue here too. Not bad here, actually. Not too bad. You feel it here?
Yep.
Just here. Okay. Let's give it.
To know on.
Let's do the extension and tell me how much pain now. How's that?
Me?
No tingling, numbness?
No.
Let's do holding the pen. You said that was 4 before. How much now?
It's really minimal. 1.5.
Where?
Just at the tips. These 3 tips. I'm not feeling anything in my thumb. These 3 tips. More these 2 and just a little bit on that one.
Too much? Closing your eyes.
No, yes, and it doesn't hurt. So I know why.
It's fine. Don't anticipate my pain.
Okay.
It's going away.
At work, we have to shoot guns, and I can never be the first shooter.
Why?
Because of that, the anticipation. I have to wait till someone else shoots first. And there's always guys that want to be the first one to shoot. So I wait for the first shot, and then I can shoot. Don't tell my boss. It's the anticipation. I don't know why it's weird.
Okay. You're fine.
Real life, I don't want to wait for the bad guy to shoot first.
Right. Go first, please. How does it feel?
I like it. Just a little.
0 to 10?
0.5.
Okay, that's not bad.
Is that as far as you can go?
No,
I want to see how far you can go without pain.
right there.
Okay. Do you feel pain or
Just stress, like that.
stretch?
Stretch,
She's
yeah.
40. Can you see this?
Yes.
It's 42. Can you see that on camera? 42,
Wow.
43, 42. Yeah. Let me measure this one. You're limited to begin with.
Impressed.
The same thing, 42. That's your normal. 42. You see this? 42. You're limited. Any numbness, tingling?
Very little.
How much is little?
Just at the tips, like a 0.5 out of 10.
That's not bad. You started with 7
Great.
when you came here. Yeah.
It's such a relief.
Awesome. What do you think about the ASTR treatment? Just working on it for a few minutes.
I think it's great. I can't wait to tell my husband.
Awesome.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.